Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Chimbans TV. So guys, in today's video guys is mag-unbox tayo ng GCash Visa Card. Okay, so ngayon is na-receive ko ang aking GCash Visa Card. Okay, so dito guys is ito yung pinadala ng Ninja Van. Okay. So, 1 week po to bago ko ito nakuha guys. Itong aking GCash Visa Card. Okay. So, mapapansin nyo guys is ito siya ngayon. Okay. So, ngayon guys is gagawin ko is unboxing ko. Ito pala guys is binayaran ko dito is worth 250 pesos. Okay. Meron siyang delivery charge. Okay. So, 65 pesos. I think 60 pesos yata yung delivery charge nito. Okay, so ito ngayon guys worth 150 pesos. So 180 talaga pero may delivery. Okay, so kaya umabot ng 250 pesos. Okay, so ngayon guys is unboxing ko na to guys. So keep on watching guys. Okay, unboxing natin itong aking GCash Visa Card. Okay, so ito ngayon guys is ito yung aking GCash. Naka-unboxing ko nito ngayon. Okay. Okay. Okay, matigas siya ngayon. Matigas. Okay. So, yun na guys. Okay. Ito ngayon siya guys. Okay, ito siya ngayon guys. Yeah, ito yung GCash Visa Card. Okay. Maganda siya guys. Yung carton niya, GCash card, this card, the card for every Filipino. Okay, so meron din siya dito. Yan. Meron nga dito nakalagay, never share your PIN with your anyone. Okay. So ngayon. Yan guys. So nakalagay dito, no bank account or document needed. Lock or unlock your card to keep secure on GCash app. No signal or mobile data, just tap and pay with your GCash card. Shop abroad. Okay, with low, yun yung ganda guys, oh, shop abroad with low forex and zero convenience fee. Okay, so magagamit din siya guys sa abroad, you know, with low forex and zero convenience fee, so wala tayong babayaran. Okay, so maganda to guys. Okay, so ngayon is bubuksan ko na. Yan guys, oh. GCash. Nandito na ang GCash card mo. Okay? Yan oh, nandito na ang GCash card mo. Okay, so ngayon, ito nga ngayon yung GCash card ko guys, oh. Lumabas na. Yan. Okay? So yung tanggalin ko na siya. Ito na yan guys, oh. GCash card. Okay? So mapapansin nyo dito guys, kung get started with your GCash card, open GCash and tap view all, tap card, tap link a physical card, enter your card details, nominate 6-digit card PIN. Success, your GCash card is now linked and ready to use. So guys, ito yung step kung paano i-link yung physical card dun sa GCash app natin. Okay? So, ito yung instruction kung paano. Okay? Yan. So, later on, tuturuan ko guys kung paano tayo mag-link ng physical card dun sa GCash app. Okay? Natin. Okay? So, ngayon, itong vlog na to is for unboxing ng GCash Visa card. Okay? Yan. So, ito siya. Ang galing ko lang. Yan, tanggal na. Tanggal na mismo guys. So, ngayon, ito na yung aking GCash. Yan, GCash Visa card. Yung lahat ng info guys nasa likod. Okay? Yan. Maganda to guys dahil hindi nyo na kailangan na gumamit ng GCash app. Okay? Baga pwede nyo siyang gamitin sa store, gamit lang ito. Okay? So, magbabayad kayo ng bills, gamit po go-grocery kayo, pwede itong gamitin at ito lang bibigay nyo sa cashier pambayad. Okay? So, kung mag-withdraw kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa store para magpapalit or magpa-cash. Okay? So, ito gamit nyo na for ATM. Okay? For ATM. For ATM to. So, kung may pera kayo sa GCash app, pwede nyo itong gamitin for withdrawal sa ATM machine. Okay? Para pwede kayong mag-withdraw, pambayad ng bills. Okay? So, pag-grocery. O, di ba? Napaka-convenient. Okay? So, ngayon guys is ito lang muna sa ngayon. Yan. Yan. Nandito rin guys, oh. Ito guys. Para siyang Maya. Kung gusto nyo itong video nito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click all notification bell button para updated lahat kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.